Here's the Torcan 10-inch box fan. The restoration process is almost done. It's looking great so far. All the parts have been cleaned. Those parts have been washed because they're plastic. Oops. Alright. Here's the motor. That's what it says on the motor. The bearings and the felt wick have been soaked with oil. Rotates nice and smooth now. Metal polish made by Moss. Very good quality stuff. Cabinet is looking nice and bright. Looks great. It's got some scratch marks. Couldn't take that off. And that's pretty much it for this one. Just a little video to show you guys the restoration process of this fan. I'll make another video of it once it's done, like I said, next week. So stay tuned. Hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.